Bosch dishwasher not draining properly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the Bosch dishwasher drain in filter in 5 minutes, and you can apply the same approach to any other dishwashers. Hello homeowners, and my name is Gary, and I'm the owner and operator of Tactile Appliance Repair in the beautiful city of Calgary, Alberta. On my YouTube channel, I share the tips and tricks on how to look after your appliances, how to avoid the breaks and save your money on appliance repair. Here is our Bosch dishwasher. The most common issue with the dishwasher machine is when it's not draining. To tell you the truth, in 90% of all of cases you can prevent this happening, but if you are watching this video, it looks like it's already has happened. Well, no worries. It's not Elon Musk's project to launch the rocket. It's something you are able to do yourself and save some money. The most common place where you have a drainage problem is under the sink. To be exact, where the dishwasher drain hose connects to your plumbing line. All you need is something to push the food particles through the pipe, such as screwdriver, spoon, fork, or something else. Check this out. Unscrew the clip using a flat or Phillips screwdriver. If you don't have one, no worries, you can use a knife. Now make sure there is no clog in here. Another thing is filter cleaning. There is no need to clean it on a daily basis, but I do recommend doing that once every 3-4 months. Very easy. Simply take the filter out. You have to rotate it counterclockwise to unlock the holder. Then rinse the filter and put it back clockwise. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Great. Now let's make sure your Bosch dishwasher is working properly. You need to run any cycle and then cancel it. Don't forget to put a bucket or deep ball under the hose to avoid flooding. As you can see, it's draining now. Mission accomplished. And by the way, please let me know in the comments how often you clean the filter in your dishwasher and if this video was helpful to fix your issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.